Hey, what's going on YouTube? Back with another keto video. I haven't made a video on keto in about 2 weeks now. As some people know, I had my son 2 weeks ago, and haven't made a video in a while. So this video right here is about my keto diet and the hospital. So yeah, it's been a while, and this video is about the keto and the hospital. In the hospital, we was there 4 days. I was doing keto real strong. The hospital is probably one of the worst places to do keto on. You figure the hospital will have healthy foods or foods with low carb or low sugar and foods that are bad for you. The hospital cafeteria is like any other fast food place you go to. The cafeteria, it has some low carb stuff I could have ate. In the morning they had you can have bacon and eggs in the morning. They'll make omelets. But the hours are so short. It's from 6:30 to like 9:30. So you have 3.5 hours, about 4 hours to get breakfast. And me, I don't get up 6 in the morning to eat. I'm getting up at 7, 8 to go to work. But in the hospital, with me getting not much sleep, I was getting up at 10 o'clock, which is not mad late, but breakfast be closed. So I had to go out and buy something to eat. The food they was giving my wife was not the best food. The drinks, they gave her apple juice and orange juice, and they'll have a high amounts of sugar. They gave her Ensure in a juice bottle type of thing. I guess it was kind of like a liquid form, not the milkshake form, but that had some shit of sugar in it. It had 50 grams of sugar, 4 to 5 grams of carbohydrates, and she's been on low carb as well. She's not all the way in it, but she has really lowered her carbs. So when she tastes it, it just tastes disgusting because it has so much sugar in it. So they gave her Ensure juice. They'll give her orange juice that had a ton of sugar in it. They'll give her sandwiches or chicken quesadillas or stuff out of a restaurant. And it wasn't the best food for you, And I had my food. I got me a ribeye steak. Trying to eat somewhat keto. I did cheat some at the hospital because, all I had was Quest bars and, to eat. But I didn't have a whole meal. And if I go out somewhere, there was restaurants for me to go to that was kind of keto friendly. And so the hospital was not the best place for me to do keto. I cheated. And me and my wife bought some snacks. We bought honey buns, we bought Cheez-Its in a big container, and we bought little mini granola bars. And I resisted eating some till the second and third day. I ate some granola bars because I ate up so hungry. I missed breakfast. There was nothing for me to drink besides water because every fridge in the cafeteria had Powerade, Gatorade full of sugar, and I'm trying to avoid the sugar. So it's very hard in a hospital to do keto. Very hard. I would have bought better snacks. I would have maybe gone to IHOP or something, or Denny's and got eggs and bacon. Maybe I would have went somewhere and got a boneless burger. I think one day we got chicken. Cause it was late. Everything was closed. Cafeteria closed at the hospital, so I got some chicken, but it was breaded. So, and I didn't get no sides with it. All I got was chicken, and that was it. I didn't get no fries, didn't get no yams or corn, none of that stuff. I just ate the chicken. Even though it had breading on it, it was still carbohydrates. I had to eat something, so I had to like ease off my diet some. Not, bad. They did give us a ribeye steak. And I ate that with I picked cheesecake. I hadn't had cheesecake in so long. But if I was gonna cheat, I might as well Cheeto something would taste good. It was so good. But, you know, I've always watched my sugar, watch my carbohydrates. So, you know, I didn't gain no weight I thought I would start gaining a little bit of weight because I eating granola bar, Cheez-Its. Cheez-Its had maybe 26 grams of carbs. And I thought I'd gain a little bit of weight, but I didn't gain no weight. I didn't lose none either. I felt my body not in ketosis anymore. I could tell I don't have the same energy spark. I don't have that same energy throughout the day no more. It just is gone. And it's not as all the way gone, but it's partially gone. Partially gone. I know I'm not in ketosis anymore, and I didn't have that energy. I can sleep 4 hours and get up and have energy all day. I kind of lost that feeling. So I'm not in ketosis right now. It'll probably take me a while to get back to where I was, but you know, you could just, your body will tell you what's going on. I'm not gaining on weight, and I feel like I'm losing a little bit of weight as well. I'm not as big as you see. This shirt is really loose on me, so I'm still kind of losing weight. But as I've been home for the past week, I've done my best to have keto friendly foods. I have been eating not donuts. I've been eating the granola bars and a little bit of Cheez-Its because I've been eating it, and and with a newborn, it's kind of hard to cook and take care of him. So I eat me like 2 or 3 granola bars and a bag of Cheez-Its, and it'll hold me all the way to lunch all the time I eat. So no, that aspect, I'm getting better with the diet now, but with the hospital aspect, it was the worst with keto because there's nothing there keto friendly. And you know, there's nothing there but an omelet. I had an egg omelet one day that was really good. It was scrambled eggs. It was eggs, mushrooms, green peppers, onions, bacon, lots of bacon in it, cheese, and an omelet. That was delicious. But the breakfast grill closes at 9:30, and I get no sleep through the night. And when I do go to sleep, it's 5 in the morning. But the grill opens at an hour and a half later on. I sleep until like 10, go downstairs, and it's closed. So I try to keep it keto friendly the best I can. My suggestion to you is you're going to the hospital for a newborn, anything, prepare to not have a keto friendly meal. Ask for more steaks, boneless burgers, ask for more grilled chicken, grilled foods. But you know, hospital was not a good thing for me. So this is my video about the keto and the hospital. I struggle with it in the hospital. I didn't buy no snacks. I didn't buy no chips or anything. I just winged it the best way I could. I ate chicken. You know, when you're not around keto type of foods and they're out of your reach, you have to just consider what you're eating, how many carbs it is. So I ate the fried chicken. Yes, it was breaded, but I didn't get fries with it. I didn't get potatoes or corn or any of that stuff that comes with it. I just got the chicken and that was it. And the chicken with the breading have carbs. It's not a bunch of carbs. So it's kind of like, okay, you're at level 1, now you got level 2. You gotta really think about what's low in carb that you eat. The Cheez-Its with 26 grams for one little bag is a lot of carbs, but I could eat 2 and be good. Granola bar have carbs and sugar in as well. That's fine. I keep my sugar intake and carbs low as I can. I didn't eat a big bowl of pasta. I didn't eat a big thing of pizza. You know, I still ate low carb as I can. So only thing you can do is just do the best you can. So this is Todd for xking.com for my video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Like the video. And if you have any experience with the hospital and keto, comment below. Thanks for watching.